P.S presents How to Be Flexible. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to be flexible. Don't worry, it's not like, oh, I'm not born with it. It's more like the P word. Yes, practice. So let's get started. 1. Stretch every day. We all knew this was coming, right? Stretch every day. Each day, try to surpass where you were before. It's fine if in the beginning you can't even do anything close to a split. Keep practicing each day. Then you'll gradually be able to do a split. How cool is that? 2. Hold poses for more than several seconds. If you can do a split, that's great. I feel like everyone can do a split, but just can't hold it. So work on holding it for several seconds, like 10 seconds, 20, 30, or maybe even a minute. It's good practice if you hold your position for a few seconds every time you stretch each day. 3. Try a bridge to stretch your back. Don't know what a bridge is? Well, it's basically making a bridge with your body. It's like the photo on the screen, but that bridge is a little too complicated. Basically, put your legs a little farther from your head, so congratulations, you're doing a bridge. 4. Warm up. This is the most important step of all. Before you start stretching or doing super wide splits, you should definitely warm up. Warming up can make sure you don't break a knee or twist an ankle. Been there, done that. So you should always warm up before you do anything close to gymnastics or exercise. 5. Don't go to your limit right away. Yeah, sure, we're all anxious to practice splitting like banana peels. Sorry, good joke. But you should never go to your limit straight away. Always go gradually. Why? You might accidentally sprain an ankle or injure yourself. Let's just say you don't want that to happen. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Please subscribe, turn on all notifications, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. See ya!